The ocean covers 70% of Earth, but we've explored less than 20% of it. That means most of our planet is still completely unknown. Right now, beneath miles of black water, there are things older than human history. Things that have never seen sunlight. Things that have never seen humans. And sometimes, humans find them. Abandoned machines, perfectly preserved bodies, creatures that don't look real, and discoveries so disturbing scientists struggle to explain them. Because the deeper you go, the less the world makes sense. These are the 10 creepiest things ever found at the bottom of the ocean. Number 1. The man who was found sitting alone. In 1999, divers exploring a shipwreck made a discovery that froze them in place. Inside the wreck was a body, not bones scattered randomly, not destroyed, but sitting upright, alone. The cold, oxygen-poor water had preserved him. His shape was still intact, his position untouched. It was as if he sat there, waiting for decades. He never escaped. He never moved. The ocean didn't destroy him. It kept him. Number 2. The plane that disappeared without a trace. When Air France Flight 447 vanished over the Atlantic in 2009, it became one of the aviation's greatest mysteries. For 2 years, nothing was found. No wreckage, no bodies, nothing. Until deep sea robots discovered it, resting silently on the ocean floor, completely intact, as if it had gently landed. Passengers were still inside, frozen in their final moments. No chance to escape. No warning, just darkness and impact. Number 3. The creature with teeth like glass. Deep in the ocean lives something that doesn't look natural. The fang-toothed fish. Its teeth are so large it can't even close its mouth properly. Its eyes are empty. Its face expressionless. It lives where sunlight never reaches, where pressure would crush a human instantly. It evolved in complete darkness, which means there could be worse things down there, things we haven't seen yet. Number 4. The underwater graveyard of ships. There are millions of shipwrecks at the bottom of the ocean. Each one tells a story, but some still contain human remains. Skeletons trapped inside rooms, hands still reaching towards doors. People who never escaped, never saved, never found until now. The ocean doesn't just sink ships, it erases them. Number 5. The giant squid that shouldn't exist. For centuries, sailors told stories about giant monsters beneath the waves. No one believed them until one was finally captured on camera. A giant squid, longer than a bus, eyes the size of human heads, tentacles covered in powerful suction cups. It lives in the deepest darkness, avoiding humans, which raises a terrifying question. How many are still down there, watching from below? Number 6. The lost city beneath the ocean. Off the coast of Japan, divers discovered something impossible. Massive stone structure, perfectly straight edges, flat platforms, steps. It looked like ruins. A city. Some believe it's over 10,000 years old. If true, it means an entire civilization existed and disappeared, swallowed by the ocean without a trace. Number 7. The endless hole that leads to nowhere. Divers exploring the Great Blue Hole found something terrifying. A massive vertical tunnel descending straight down into darkness. No visible bottom, no visible end. Inside, oxygen disappears. Nothing lives there. Nothing moves. It's completely silent. A hole in the earth leading into nothing. Number 8. The sound that no one could explain. In 1997, scientists recorded a sound deep in the Pacific Ocean. It was louder than any known animal. They call it the bloop. It came from far below the surface. Too deep, too powerful, too unknown. No creature officially identified could make that sound. To this day, its true source remains a mystery. Something made that noise. Something big. Number 9. The perfectly preserved Titanic remains. When divers reached the Titanic wreck, they expected destruction. Instead, they found preservation. Shoes still paired together, clothing still resting on the floor, signs of people who once stood there. The cold water preserved everything. Moments frozen forever. The Titanic didn't disappear. It still exists, waiting in darkness. Number 10. The creature that don't need sunlight. At the deepest part of the ocean, creatures exist that don't rely on sunlight. They create their own. Glowing eyes, glowing bodies, glowing traps. They evolved in complete isolation. A separate world, a separate ecosystem. Proof that life doesn't need sunlight, which means life could exist anywhere, even places we never imagined. The ocean is not empty. It's hiding things. Things older than humanity. Things we were never meant to see. Every shipwreck, every creature, every body, every sound is proof that the ocean doesn't forget. It keeps everything silent, waiting, and the most terrifying part is we've barely explored it, which means right now, beneath miles of darkness, something could be there, watching, waiting for us to come closer.